मुलाजिम को धमकी नहीं।
It's called Malik, a film about Pakistan's ruling elite, their power and corruption.
नोटिस देता है।
But the government has banned it, saying it could incite violence. Most people we spoke to say they want to see it.
This movie should not be banned because movies are for entertainment purposes and they deliver a message to the public. And if it's made on the basis of corruption, so the government, if the government's feeling threatened by the movie, means that they're guilty from the inside.
जैसे कि उसमें दिखाया हुआ है politics के बारे में.
I don't feel there is any harm in showing this film. It's an entertainment movie and it has a message to get rid of corruption.
We asked one of the actors what he thinks about the controversy surrounding the film.
Somehow they got panic because of the reason that it would create kind of awareness, the way the political system is in our country, and maybe show the dark phases which no one would like to know of this business.
Banning the movie Malik by the government has given it the publicity that many advertisers would just dream about, and now everybody in the country wants to see it. That's because most people want to find out what the controversy is all about. Although the film depicts Pakistan's politicians in a bad light, the problem of corruption is more widespread.
The politicians are not the only corrupt lot. They get the spotlight, they get more attention because they are the public figures, they are the newsmakers. Otherwise, the corruption is all around, it's rampant in every sector of the society, and the ultimate sufferer is the poor class of Pakistan.
In a recent statement, the Pakistani military chief said, the war against terrorism could not be won without rooting out the menace of corruption. The military has sacked several senior officers after an investigation found them guilty of corruption. That raised expectations that the civilian government would also follow suit. But Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has been busy defending himself against call for his resignation. He and his family have been accused of running offshore accounts in the Panama Papers data leak. Banning the film has shown how sensitive the government is to criticism about the issue of rampant and institutionalized corruption, and many say that will do little to restore public confidence. Kamal Haider, Al Jazeera, Islamabad.